Travelling with children is a breeze, said no one ever. There is a lot more to think about, from remembering to pack the right things to the logistics of getting to the airport, all while anticipating meltdowns and tantrums at every turn. I've managed to travel the world with my preschooler. Here is what I've learned along the way. The first piece of advice is to pick the right destination. From the UK, Europe is really easy, and there are excellent hotels with great kids clubs in destinations such as Spain, Greece and Turkey. I've always found Dubai really seamless for winter sun too. City breaks though can be really hit or miss. I've never found Paris to be very family friendly. Those cobbles and all the stairs are murder with a buggy. But cities in Scandinavia, such as Stockholm and Denmark, are much better. Spain also is brilliant for a city break. Places like Malaga and Madrid, they have these beautiful squares with playgrounds right in the middle and cafes and bars around the outside for adults. The next question, where should you book while you're there? There are benefits and drawbacks to booking both a hotel and a self-catering property like an Airbnb. Good family-friendly hotels will often have kids clubs, they'll have swimming pools, they'll have kids menus, and if you book the right one, they'll have added extras such as baby monitors and high chairs. Remember though, there is a key difference between a family-friendly hotel and a hotel that just accepts children. I'm a big fan of hotel groups like Luxury Family Hotels in the UK and Iberostar and Icos in Europe because they are fantastic for kids. However, if you want to book an Airbnb, this is great because you get a lot more space and it means that children can often sleep in separate rooms. You can also filter for extras such as washing machines, high chairs, swimming pools, and that can be really helpful too. Then you need to think about what to pack. This is going to vary hugely dependent on the age of your child. For those under 5, you'll have to think about everything from a white noise machine to a travel cot to nappies and wipes. But whatever age of your child, you're going to have to pack a fully loaded iPad and enough snacks to sink the Titanic. Next up is the airport. Most UK airports have dedicated security and family check-in lines. Children under 2 are exempt from the UK's 100ml liquid allowance, which is great because it means you can take through medicine and drinks. Parents with children under 12 can typically take 2 extra pieces of luggage, such as a buggy or a car seat. There are often soft play areas after security, although quality can vary. Heathrow has excellent soft play areas right next to coffee shops for tired parents. Remember to get to your gate with plenty of time. Families with children under 5 can usually board early, which is great because it means that you get extra time to get settled. Now for the really important bit. If you and your children have different surnames, remember key identity documents such as birth certificates because immigration will want to see those. There's a lot to think about when you travel with children, and I wouldn't blame you if a bad flight makes you never want to do the whole thing again. A much longed-for holiday can often come with outsized expectations about how brilliant it's going to be. The bottom line is relax, don't worry too much, and chances are it's all going to be enjoyable in retrospect.